Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll explore the new features functionality in MeshInspector. We've already uploaded a gear model, so let's dive into the Features tab. First, we'll look at the Create Features section, which allows you to create points, lines, planes, circles, spheres, cylinders, and cones. Each of these features includes a features normal, which is crucial for defining how they interact with the 3D space and other model elements. Let's start by creating planes on our gear model. Click on Plane, and select the Pick Points mode. Click on several points on the model. Then hit Refine to ensure the plane fully covers the model. Once refined, click on New Feature to add the plane to the left menu. We've now created two different planes. Next, we'll create circle features. Navigate to the Circle option in the Features tab. This time, choose the Fit to Selection mode and use the Select with Lasso option. Here are some helpful shortcuts for selection. Hold None to deselect previous selections. Hold Ctrl to add to the previous selection. Hold Shift to deselect within the previous selection. Hold Ctrl plus Shift for reverse selection. Moving on to cylinders, select Cylinder and proceed with the Pick Points mode. After selecting your points, click on Refine and then New Feature. We've also introduced tools to measure features. Measure Distance allows you to display the distance between selected points or objects. Measure Angle shows the angle between selected edges on objects. Let's use the Measure Distance tool. Activate it and select two features to measure the distance between. The distance information will display in the control window. By default, this tool calculates the distance between the centers of the features. Now, let's measure angles. First, create a new plane on the edge and add it as a new feature. Activate the Measure Angle tool. Select two features to measure between, and voila! The angle, shown as 90 degrees, will appear visually in the workspace. In the next section, we explore the Make X, Y, Z tools. Make X instantly orients the model so that the feature aligns with the YZ plane, making the X-axis the normal. Hold Shift to orient in the opposite direction. Make Y aligns the model with the ZX plane, making the Y-axis the normal. Hold Shift for opposite. Make Z aligns the model with the XY plane, making the Z-axis the normal. Hold Shift for opposite. The Move to Zero tool adjusts the object's transform visually while moving the geometry center to the 0 point. We also have selection tools on the Features tab, similar to those on the Select tab. And that's it. Now you know how to work with the features in MeshInspector. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@meshinspector.com.